Okay, so this is my first recording using Screencast-O-Matic. I have my microphone activated. The computer screen is not, it's visible, but the actual computer sound is not coming through. So this is not an optimum situation for your for sharing movies. Rather, you just go ahead and click through those using your Zoom functionality. So the screen is being captured, and I know that it's recording because I have a countdown on the left-hand side, top left-hand side of the screen, and then on the bottom right side of the screen, I have my webcam on that's being recorded. So if I'm going to demonstrate my course in Moodle, I go ahead and just begin by clicking on the elevator. I call it the elevator, the up and down navigation for the page. And here is the first section of the course called Course Analysis. So Course Analysis has all of the information. We have attend, learn, apply. And then in Module 2, the content is course mapping. And this is where we worked on mapping our courses to work with the backwards design. Then Module 3 was designing learning goals and objectives. And in this module, once again, it's structured as attend, learn, and apply. We have 2 practice sessions here with examples along with the due dates. The next module is Module 4, and that was created learning activities. Dr. Scott Warren has his attendance link as well as the work session link. I don't see the videos, but normally the best standard of practice is once you have listed the link for attending the synchronous sessions, once you have recorded the session, I would recommend posting that recording right after the Zoom link. As we progress through the modules, Module 5 was fostering learning interactions, where we took a look at reflecting about online teaching, about online interactions. There were some resources. Module 6 is online educational technologies, where we talked about Web 2.0 tools, as well as the sections with we have learn and apply with many resources and feedback on that module. Module 7 was the development of online assessments, where we were shown a variety of online assessments, including constructing rubrics to check for understanding. Finally, we are at our Module 8 showcase, where we have the capstone activity. So far, there is a recording link for Module 8. There's a meeting link for Module 8 and video submissions and feedback. So there are examples on how to use the video submission. If we click on video submissions and feedback, that is a discussion board where you will be clicking on and adding your discussion topic. As I scroll back to the previous page, I am job aid using screencasting and recording software for creating a demonstration video. And in my courses, we usually use the term helicopter video or summary video or overview video, where you do exactly what I'm doing here, is giving a walkthrough of the course. So there's the job aid, and I will continue to support you in working on creating your videos using Screencast-O-Matic, Screencast-O-Fi, or Loom, or any other featured program. So that concludes our session together. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and this is the overview of the KNUST Flexible Learning Experience. Thank you.